Drone footage from Ukraine show members of the Ukrainian FV103 storming a Russian-held trench in the Donetsk region. The trench was located in the area of Ivanivske. Before the main assault, the Russia defense was softened by Ukrainian T-72B3. The tank initiated the attack with fire from its main cannon to weaken the Russians' ability to respond effectively. The Russian soldiers were then engaged by machine gun fire as the tank pulled back. The effect of suppressing fire is visible very well in this segment. Due to the fire superiority brought to the fight by the Ukrainian tank, Russians were unable to respond. This created space for an FV103 Spartan to conduct the main assault. Under covering fire by the Spartan, a unit of Ukrainian soldiers dismounted and joined the battle. The soldiers stormed the trench and started to clear it. This video really shows a good utilization of assets by the Ukrainian side. Also, the importance of fire superiority and effective suppression cannot be stated enough. Here, a good visualization of area suppression.